Hello, my dear friends. Today I want to share something simple yet powerful that you can make right in your own kitchen. It's my secret gel remedy recipe made from aloe vera and a few other ingredients that can help reverse hair loss, and yes, I mean really help. I call it my personal aloe vera hair gel, and I've seen it work wonders for people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and even 80s. If you've been wondering whether it's too late to see real improvement in your hair, I want to tell you from my heart, absolutely not. Our bodies have a way of responding positively when given gentle, nourishing support. Let me be clear, this gel is not a quick one-time fix. It's a gentle ritual, one that nourishes your scalp, strengthens hair follicles, and helps your roots hold on to each strand. Over time, you may notice less shedding, more shine, and even new growth in places you thought were thinning for good. I'm going to walk you through each ingredient, explain why it's there, and show you exactly how to combine them. By the end of this, you'll have a step-by-step guide to creating your own hair-restoring gel that you can use once or twice a week right in the comfort of your home. Before we go any further, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Leave me a little note in the comments below. It always warms my heart to see how far this message travels. Our star ingredient is aloe vera, the succulent plant renowned for its soothing and healing properties. For this gel, we'll need one large, fresh aloe vera leaf. You can usually find these at health food stores, farmers markets, or even grocery stores that carry fresh produce. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, that's even better because you'll know it's truly fresh. Start by washing the leaf thoroughly under cool running water. Pat it dry with a clean towel. Then place it on a cutting board and slice off the spiky edges on both sides. Lay the leaf flat and use a sharp knife to cut away the top layer of skin. You'll be left with the translucent gel inside. Scoop out about 2 tablespoons of this gel using a spoon and place it into a glass bowl. Next, take 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. If your coconut oil is solid, gently warm it in a small saucepan over low heat until it melts. Do not let it get too hot. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and strengthening each strand. In older scalps, hair can become fragile, and a little extra nourishment can help prevent breakage and thinning. Pour the melted coconut oil into the same bowl where your aloe vera gel is waiting. Use a small whisk or spoon to blend the two until they form a smooth, light mixture. Now, add 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed castor oil. Castor oil is thicker than coconut oil and has a natural compound called ricinoleic acid, which improves circulation to the scalp. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your hair follicles, encouraging stronger growth. Castor oil is often celebrated for its ability to thicken hair and even help with regrowth in areas where hair has started to thin. Scoop a small spoonful of castor oil into your bowl and blend it with the aloe vera and coconut oil mixture. The texture will deepen slightly and you'll notice a silky feel. Castor oil's thicker consistency helps the gel adhere to the scalp without dripping, which makes application easier. Next, let's add 1 vitamin E capsule. You can find these capsules at any pharmacy or health store. Simply use a pin or a small pair of scissors to puncture the capsule and squeeze out the oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps repair damaged hair follicles and reduces oxidative stress. As we age, our scalp can be more vulnerable to free radicals, which can weaken hair strands and accelerate hair loss. Vitamin E oil helps by strengthening the outer cuticle of the hair, making it less prone to breakage. Once you've extracted the oil, add it to the bowl and stir gently. You'll see tiny oil droplets swirl into the mix. Don't worry, they'll disappear as you blend. Now, for just a few drops, add 3 drops of tea tree oil to your mixture. Tea tree oil has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that help keep the scalp clean and balanced. An unclean or irritated scalp can lead to clogged follicles and ultimately hair loss. By including tea tree oil, you ensure that your scalp stays free from dandruff, itchiness, and minor infections. Drop the tea tree oil over your bowl and stir carefully. Remember that tea tree oil is potent, so stick to only a few drops. Overuse can cause irritation. Next, we need 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, about half a lemon. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and citric acid. The vitamin C helps boost collagen production, which strengthens hair shafts, while the mild acidity of lemon juice helps balance the scalp's pH. An imbalanced pH can lead to excess oiliness or dryness, both of which can contribute to hair thinning and loss. Slice a fresh lemon in half and squeeze out the juice, aiming for about 10 milliliters. Strain out any seeds or pulp. Pour the lemon juice into the bowl and you'll notice the mixture fizz slightly as the acid mingles with the oils. Stir well. This step might make the gel look a bit lighter in color, but that's perfectly normal. The lemon juice adds shine and helps clarify the scalp, removing any buildup that might be blocking your hair follicles. Now take 2 teaspoons of raw honey and drop them into your bowl. Honey is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into the hair and scalp. It's also rich in antioxidants and has mild antibacterial properties, which support scalp health. For anyone experiencing dry or flaky scalp conditions, honey provides gentle relief. Use your spoon to blend the honey until it dissolves into the mixture. The texture will become slightly sticky but smooth. Honey's natural sugars and nutrients will help coat each strand of hair, locking in the benefits of the other ingredients. If you worry about stickiness, don't be. The final gel will rinse out easily, leaving hair soft and nourished. Our next addition is 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary oil has been used for centuries to improve circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Some studies suggest it can even slow down premature graying. For older folks who want to maintain the natural color of their hair while encouraging growth, rosemary oil is a gentle, natural option. Drop those 5 tiny droplets of rosemary oil into your bowl and stir very gently. The scent is herbal and slightly woody. It's subtle and pleasant. Finally, we need about 100 milliliters of distilled water, or if you prefer, rose water or lavender water. The purpose of this step is to thin out the mixture so it becomes a spreadable gel rather than a thick paste. Distilled water is free from minerals and impurities, but floral waters add a gentle fragrance and extra soothing properties for the scalp. Pour the water, or floral water, into your bowl and stir continuously. As the liquid blends with your oils, honey, and aloe vera gel, you'll see the mixture transform into a smooth, light green gel. There should be no lumps or clumps, just a consistent texture that moves easily when you stir. If it seems too thick, add a bit more water until you reach a gel-like consistency that holds its shape but spreads smoothly. Now that all the ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to blend them together into a uniform gel. Use a hand mixer, small blender, or even a whisk. Blend on low speed for about 1 minute, just until the mixture is smooth and creamy. You'll notice that the gel holds together nicely and forms soft peaks when you lift the whisk or blender out. That's exactly what you want. Once blended, transfer the gel into a clean, airtight glass jar, ideally a jar with a pump or a wide mouth, so you can scoop it out with clean fingers or a spatula. Seal the lid tightly and place the jar in the refrigerator. This gel will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks if kept cold, thanks to the natural preservative properties of honey and the acidity of lemon juice. If you see any change in color or smell, discard it and make a fresh batch. Now that you've made the remedy, here's how to use it properly for the best results. 1. Wet your hair lightly with warm water. You want your hair damp but not dripping. 2. Take a small amount of gel, about a teaspoon or 2, and massage it gently into your scalp. Use your fingertips to spread it evenly, working from the hairline to the crown and back. Focus on areas where you notice more thinning or shedding. 3. Once your scalp is coated, apply the remaining gel through the lengths of your hair from roots to tips. The gel will act as a lightweight conditioner that nourishes each strand. 4. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. For best results, allow it to sit for an hour or even overnight if you don't plan to rinse until the morning. The longer you leave it, the more time your scalp has to absorb the nutrients. 5. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. No shampoo needed unless your hair is very oily. If you do shampoo, use a gentle sulfate-free formula to avoid stripping away the benefits of the gel. 6. Pat your hair dry with a towel, then let it air dry. Avoid heat styling immediately after. Instead, give your hair a rest day and let the natural nutrients work their magic. This routine, done once or twice a week, helps nourish your scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and improve blood circulation. Let me explain why this simple gel can make such a difference. It starts with the aloe vera, a soothing base that calms irritation and helps the scalp repair itself. A healthy scalp is the foundation for strong, thriving hair. Then there's coconut oil and castor oil. These oils don't just sit on the surface, they deeply nourish, reduce breakage, and strengthen each strand from root to tip. We add a touch of vitamin E, which helps protect your scalp and hair from everyday damage while supporting the body's natural healing. To keep the scalp clean and balanced, we use a small amount of tea tree oil. This helps prevent clogged follicles, one of the reasons hair can stop growing. A squeeze of lemon juice gently clarifies the scalp, balancing its pH and adding a natural shine to your hair. Honey locks in moisture, feeds the hair with nutrients, and leaves it soft and resilient. And then there's rosemary oil, a powerful ingredient that boosts circulation to the scalp, helping nourish the follicles and, in some cases, even support natural hair color. Every ingredient plays a role. Together, they create a gentle, natural formula that supports your body's ability to restore balance, improve blood flow, and nourish your hair from the inside out. I'd love to know, what's your biggest challenge with hair loss right now? Leave me a comment and share your experience. Your feedback helps me tailor future remedies and tips to exactly what you need. And I have a question too. What would you like me to share next time? Would you prefer a remedy for stronger nails, a booster for skin, or maybe something to help with restful sleep? Let me know in the comments. Your voice truly matters here.